In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, navigate to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic begins. Upon landing on the Squarespace homepage, look for the login button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it. Now, Squarespace offers a variety of ways to log in, but for simplicity and speed, we're going to use the Continue with Google option. This lets you log in using your Google account. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. You'll then see a list of your Google accounts. Click on the account you want to use for Squarespace. This will take you directly into your Squarespace dashboard. Once inside your dashboard, it's time to find your website. If you have more than one site on Squarespace, make sure you select the correct one. You can easily find your sites listed, or you can use this link, hyperlink to website. Click on your desired website to get to its specific dashboard. Alright, now that we're in the right place, let's add a new form. Look for the Pages section. This is where all your website's pages are organized. You can find the Pages option either on the sidebar or by using this direct link, hyperlink to Pages. Here you'll see all your website's existing pages. Ready to add something new? Look for the plus icon, which is your gateway to creating new content on your site. Click on this plus icon to start the creation process. A menu will pop up with different options on what you can add. Since we're focusing on adding a form, click on blank page to start with a clean slate. This gives you the freedom to customize your page as you wish without any predefined elements. Now for the creative part. You'll be prompted to give your new page or form a name. Choose something descriptive and easy to remember. After naming it, you can start adding the details of your form. This is where you'll specify what information you want to collect, such as names, email addresses, or any other details relevant to your needs. And that's pretty much it. You've now successfully navigated the Squarespace platform to add a form to your website. Remember, customization is key, so take your time to explore Squarespace's form builder tools to make your form not only functional, but also visually appealing to your visitors. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Don't be afraid to experiment with different form layouts and styles. After all, the best way to learn is by doing. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more Squarespace tutorials to enhance your website further.